Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm not sharing a recipe but a quick snack that you can easily pull it off, and it's this air fryer pizza rolls. All you need is about 5 minutes. So this is a frozen pizza roll. I just poured it into my air fryer. I'm using Ninja Foodi, but any air fryer works great as well. And you make sure you have it in a single layer so that it can cook faster and you can have even baking as well. And I'm going to cover it and cook for about 4 minutes. Then I'll come back and show you guys how it turned out. So after the 4 minutes, I'm just going to shake this or stir it so that I will cook it again. This is just to ensure that every part of it is get cooked. So here we have it. After the next 2 minutes, I want it more crispy, so I'm just letting it go for about extra 2 minutes. You could see that all the sauces are coming out. If you don't want it this at this time, about 6 minutes, you can just take it out of the oven of the air fryer. But I want it more crispy, so that's why I let it go. So there we have it. Our snacks are ready. It couldn't be easier than that. And see how the inside looks. And I hope you guys like it and give it a try. Thank you for watching.